Hi guys, I just wanted to do, this is my first ever Quilter's candy box and I'm very excited, so I just want to do a quick unboxing. I put this here so that you can't see the shipping label and where I live. I'm from Hawaii, so aloha everyone. So let's get into this. I like how it says satisfy your quilter's craving. Yay, it's finally here. That's how I feel. So let's get into it. Alright. So it has cute pink tissue paper. It says Quilter's Candy Box. And like I said, this is the first one, so I have no idea what to expect. It shows what it includes, so I'm just going to put that on the side so that we are surprised. Plain and sweet. Let's get the glare out of the way. Plain and sweet. It's a simple essential mixture of oven crisp rice and marshmallows. So it is like Rice Krispie treats. That'll be yummy. So that's the first one. And this looks like fabric. 4 half-yard cuts of day trip fabric designed by Dana Willard for Art Gallery Fabrics. I guess it's curated by different people every month. So this is curated by Susie Quilts. I'm really new to quilting stuff, so I don't know who that is, but I really like it so far. So let's see. So it has 4 half-yard cuts. So it looks like tacos and hearts on a white background. This looks like flowers and cactus. That's really cute. I like the colors. And here we go, more cactus. Succulents are in, so that's really cute. And this mustard colored polka dot. So that's really cute. I like that. So they all go together. Really cute. So let's put that away. And this is glass head pins by Sakura, Hiroshima needles. This looks really pretty. It's glass head pins from Sakura. So this Tulip brand glass head pins. These are the sharpest, most beautiful pins, perfect for your quilting projects, is what it says on here. That's where I'm reading it from. So it looks like it's a little difficult to open. What I'll do is I'll take pictures and post it when I do the YouTube video. And this is Clover Pin and Stow from Nancy Zeman. I love her. It's so sad that she's gone, but this looks pretty cool. Sorry, my dogs are going in and out. And so it says a Clover brand slap bracelet magnetic pin holder. As Susie says, it's also my favorite accessory to wear out on the town. That's cute. And a fishing net quilt pattern by Susie Quilts. This is really nice. Black and white. Very modern looking. So it says Lolly and Pop's plain and simple. Oh no, that's not it. Sorry. Susie's fishing net pattern. This is one of Susie's beautiful, bold, modern patterns. So that's really nice. And I guess there's a throw size and a baby size. So I like that. I might make that in a different color for my daughter. Maybe blues and whites. Okay. And that looks like it's it. I forget how much I paid for this, but I will go ahead and link that in the description. All the information. And it doesn't say how much it cost retail, but I'm happy with it. I really like it. So let me open this thing. Oh, here, the bottom. So let me open it. The packaging is gorgeous. It's really so nice. And it looks like it's in a little tube. Sorry, this doesn't want to come out. And I didn't want to rip it. So let's see. Come on. Come out if you can. Let me. I want you to be able to see everything that I opened. So let's go ahead and see how to get this out. Sorry for my struggling here. Let's see. There we go. It's in a little test tube. No wonder it was hard to come out. It's stuck. That's really cute. It's in a little test tube with a cork bottle. So let's take that out. Oh, it's really beautiful. If you can see the colors. So here's the pink. Let me get the green. A couple of the green ones. And here's the green. So it's really pretty. I hope you can see it. Let me put something white behind it. So there you go. There's the pins. And let's see how it works with this magnetic thing. There you go. Love it. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.